Hey there, VitaPay merchants. Looking for the perfect thing to get your customers excited about shopping with you this holiday season? Give your customers a free gift with the TracFone Holiday Kit. Buy one of the featured phones and activate on a $40 or more TracFone branded plan, and you'll receive a free pair of Bluetooth earbuds, a power bank, and a cable all packaged together with the phone in an elegant gift box. That's a $40 value free gift for your customers. You'll also receive a table tent explaining this offer to your customers that comes with a blank spot where you can write your own price. That way you can decide the right ratio between your own dealer profit and the consumer savings. For example, the iPhone 11 would have a retail value of $479 with the bundle of the phone, plan, and the gifts. If you price it at $399, you're passing on $80 in savings to the customer, and after 3 months of spiffs, your dealer profit would be $167.40. Also, keep this handy guide near your register, as it contains the key details of the promotion, as well as a QR code that will take you to the marketplace to easily reorder if you start to run low on inventory. The featured phones that are eligible for this deal are the iPhone 11, iPhone XR, and the Samsung Galaxy A12. Look for the Holiday Kit tag when shopping on the marketplace. You can also order a soft bundle, where the phone and accessories come without any decorative packaging or the merchandising material. Supplies are limited, so head over to the VitaPay marketplace and get your orders in today.